Okay, let's make some rain, not the old-fashioned way. Take some paper, take a pen, make some raindrops. Take a photo of them and bring them into After Effects. Create a composition that is just big enough to serve as a particle source. Bring in the drops, key out the paper, use a background if it's too hard to see. Curve some contrast into the drops, now keyframe, scale, position, rotation. Jump one frame forward. Put another drop onto the same starting position and scale it a bit, rotate it a bit. Repeat with all your drops. Deactivate the background. If your computer is a beast, take the comp. If not, export the clip with alpha and re-import. Create a new comp, make it your project size. Add a layer with particular, make it a wide emitter box. Turn off all velocity so you can see what you're doing. Switch the mode to directional and turn off the spread. Give it some speed. Now make the particles sprites and give them a random still frame from your drops clip as a texture. Orient the particles to their movement and correct the angle. Change the speed, rotate the emitter. Make a background so you can see what you're doing. Make the particles smaller and longer. Invert. Posterize time for some cartoon style. Remove the background and composite onto your footage. Reduce the transparency and start playing around with the values until you're satisfied. Now you have rain. Stay healthy, and if you're in need for more tutorials, just subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and I'll be seeing you next time.